Are y'all ready?
I've been ready.
God damn!
1, 2, 3.
I think I
Mikey,
can sit down.
come here, bro. I still gotta do mine.
No! What the fuck? You tell me there's a leak in the sink and you...
Oh my gosh, sir.
I hate you guys so much.
I don't care.
Oh, God!
Try to do it yourself. 3, 2.
Ah! Ah! Ah!